What mismatch? Sorry, Diablo. Okay, for this one, there's a big mismatch here. Okay, so what I normally do if there's a big mismatch, I fix the left panel. So I'll draw a wall. So I'll check out my blue lines as a reference again. Once in position, I can stop. Then I'll switch on the left side. Right side. Shift button, drag to position. Now, from what I can see here, I think this will match already. Shift button, shift button, shift again. And for this one, shift. Follow guys how to quickly repair. For this one, all right, for this one, I think we can move this. Like this. There. 5 pixels is okay. So that's fine. Two. So you can move a little adjustment, guys. Then position them. So for this one, there is a really big mismatch here. So I think this area has to be adjusted. So I can use X for this one, Z. There's nothing here. Okay, I'll capture this one, H. Then group again. So it's matching here. So F3, F2. This one is not gonna work. So it's actually more of outside, but that's okay.
Sir, hindi na po gagamitan ng ng doesn't cover yung mga nakatatabunan.
So since there is a portion naman, since there is actually a part of the building that can be seen, that's fine. But if the whole building cannot be seen, that's the time you use image doesn't cover building. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so everything looks good. Oops, I forgot to confirm this panel. F3. Okay, looks good. I got from 1760. Okay, this is a parking lot. So a little bit difficult to capture, but let's try our best. So the whole building is actually up to here. X. That looks fine. Okay, guys, in a parking lot, remember, you won't be able to match it clearly because it's a sloped building. Okay? So as long as you match 1, 2, 3 corners, that's fine. So this one seems a little longer. So what you can do, okay, what you can do if you're looking to really match the side, you can cut, sorry, make it straight, then press T, then use the Alt button, adjust. Okay. There you go. Okay. So group, don't forget to group guys. Then F3 to confirm. It's all matching already. Okay, so all good. Follow, guys. Click back. There's an error here. Where's the error coming from? This side. Let's see. Okay. As long as it's not making that big of error. Okay. Next. All right. For this one, it's not going to match because the left panel is not in position. So what I'm going to do is move this first to proper position. There. It already matched as I can see here. So small errors like this, that's fine. Then F2. I can also move this a little there. You have minimal movements. If just a small match, you can adjust the whole thing. So don't worry about this not matching because it's slow. So just drag this a little bit. This one, it's okay. Okay. F3. Guys, 5 pixels acceptable. So don't worry. All right, looks good to me. So submit the task. If it's really far, you have to fix it. But if it's just small, then no need to fix. But if the right side panel, side 2 panel, super offset, then you. Okay. If one panel is not matching at all, even if you try to redraw, okay, then that panel has an issue. But you try to fix it first. Again, try to fix everything in the left first. This is not a building, so I'll delete this. Guys, if it's not a building, kindly delete, okay? Any questions, guys? Still downloading. Okay, there. All right, for this one, a little bit difficult. So let's see. I'll draw my wall. So this is really far. So I'll draw my wall. I'll select all. Draw the wall on the left. Try to match that blue line or the red lines, guys. If the red lines are already matching, you can stop. Then select all, then shift, click and drag. So it's already matching as I can see here, except for this one. So just adjust a little bit. Yeah, it's also matching here. So maybe I need to adjust this a little bit. F3 and F2. Also matching already. Again, guys, don't be over too critical about this. So it's already matching. So all good. Submit the task. Are we clear, guys? Questions? Okay. For this one, let's check. It's already matching, as I can see here.